draw Sonic, half Sonic.exe, alright? It's going to be simple, easy, completely for beginners, so let's just jump right into it. It's also going to be really short, so that's the key part about it. Short, a lot of learning. So first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw Sonic's, well, the curved part of Sonic's mouth. So right here. Curve, kind of that upper part of the mouth. Curve around here for underneath the eye. Curve around here for underneath this eye. Gonna go over here on this side. Curve up. Over here on this side. Curve up. And now we're gonna have that, you know, curve shape downward right here for the eye on this side and the eye on that side. Okay. Gonna go over here to the middle. Circle here for the nose. So far it just looks like normal Sonic. I am gonna, you know, you'll see the change at some point. Line across the white part right there, just gonna leave a highlight. Curve on the side here. Pulling around. Curve on the side here. Down. Alrighty. And I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw both sides of the mouth. So I'm going to curve right here, curve underneath like a U shape, pull out over here. And I want to compare and contrast teeth. Curve right here, curve right here. It's making this angry face like okay. Just slide underneath this. Go over here on this side. You get the texture of the teeth right there. Line across. Over here on this side, sharp teeth, right? Because it's EXE Sonic or Sonic.exe. All right. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna curve for the brow down. Over here on this side. Curve for the brow down. Alright. Go over here and I'm going to pull a spike out right here. Down. Out over here. Another spike here. Okay. Same thing on this side. So far, we're pretty much mirroring each other. We're about to get into the changes really soon. Before that, don't forget, if you like learning how to draw, hit the subscribe button, click the bell notification, and yeah, hit that bell notification when you subscribe. Basically, it's gonna let you know when I post a lesson. I'm gonna post a lesson 3 times a day, and what it does is it shows you on your feed what lesson it's gonna be. And it's kind of cool because you can see whether you want to draw that lesson that day or not. So that's very, very important. There's no downsides to it at all. Just pluses, okay? So hit the subscribe if you like learning to draw and bettering yourself at drawing. I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna throw a line up over here for the ear, down, triangle, up over here, down over here for the triangle, inner triangle, inner triangle. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw a line in there. For this is going to be a differences right here. Just kind of a damaged ear maybe for that side. This is going to be the EXE side. I'm going to draw a curve on the top here. So right now it just looks like we see the front of regular Sonic's head with a little bit of a torn up ear. Go over here to the eye. Circle. Circle. Over here, circle for the highlight, and then dot in the center. Okay. Over here, there's gonna be no highlight, but there will be a dot in the center. Pretty long dot. Put a line. Now I'm gonna, you know, split it in half here, and I'm gonna fill in this entire eye on this side. It's gonna fill in that whole sclera, by the way. Sclera is actually what you call the white of the eye. Kind of filling it in, pretty chill. I started reading some of the Sonic comics lately because I went to Comic-Con and I bought a few. Let me know if you guys, anybody here actually reads the Sonic comic books. I'm really curious. You get to talk to some of the artists on the comic book. It was really neat. Alright, that's half of that. So the differences so far are the torn up ear. You got the dark eye, and you have this kind of part of the face here, which is like the sharp teeth, pretty much. Now I'm gonna literally go into the color real quick, and so the color is relatively easy since he's pretty much the same. I'm gonna should I make the eye blue? No, I'm not gonna make the eye blue, but I will make. I'm using a Copic marker. If you want to learn how to use these things or buy, if you want to know where to buy them, I'm gonna put a link somewhere in the description. You can absolutely go buy it. The cool part is I don't really have to change any of my coloring going on here because Sonic.exe is also blue. The difference is going to be mostly in the eye area. Make sure you have a fan going or you have something going on here because these markers do smell and it's not great to just inhale this kind of stuff. So be aware of that. So you got the blue down, right? Now I'm going to go over here and I'm going to color his eye, at least on the right side here, completely red. Because it's just like Sonic.exe is like. I'm going to go over to the beige portion of their face. And well, first off I'm going to go here. It's very beige. And I'm going to go over here into the lower part of the mouth to do it. I have to be careful though because some lines could smear still if they're wet. If they're not, there's no big deal. But the thing is, sometimes they're still wet. Because I'm doing the demonstration right and I'm kind of leading you through it pretty quickly. If you were at the house and you just kind of let the ink dry already, then it wouldn't be a big deal. But for me here, because I have to kind of do this in like 8 minutes or so, it's a little bit more difficult, so I have to be a little bit I have to take a little bit more care. Hopefully you guys are doing fun. Hopefully you guys are having fun and kind of chilling out. And I want to put green in that eyeball for Sonic, not eyeball, but oops, I'll put in the kind of eye there, the eye color green. Sometimes it's green, sometimes it's blue, depending on who's the one kind of doing it. But that is it. That is half Sonic, half Sonic.exe. Let me know if you liked it. Hit that like button. It's gonna basically help me out. It's also gonna let me know what to put more of, and talk to you soon. Okay. See you later. Stay positive. Okay, artists. For skills, go right here to this video on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now. Another short video.